What if I told you that the United States possesses an arsenal so secret, so advanced, and so devastating that not even its closest allies know it exists? It may sound exaggerated, but the Pentagon has quietly developed some of the most dangerous, classified, and absolutely destructive weapons ever created by humankind. Weapons capable of manipulating the atmosphere, hypersonic drones that fly faster than a meteor, bombers so invisible they can erase a country in seconds, and orbital systems so powerful that a single strike equals a nuclear blast without using a single particle of uranium. Today, on TechZNX, you're going to discover the 10 ultra-secret and real weapons the United States has been developing in the Shadows projects, hidden inside classified documents and locked away in bases no one on Earth can access. And if these weapons were ever used, the planet would never be the same. So sit back and get ready to enter the forbidden arsenal of the world's most powerful nation. Let's begin. Top 10. Project HAARP. On the surface, it's nothing more than a field of antennas in the middle of nowhere in Alaska. But behind that harmless appearance lies one of the Pentagon's most controversial and mysterious programs. Its true purpose goes far beyond science, bombarding the ionosphere with energy to alter communications and signals on a continental scale. Think of the ionosphere as the aerial highway, where GPS, military communications, radar, and nearly every strategic system travels. If that highway is distorted, those systems simply stop working. That's what HAARP does. It can disrupt military communications, blind radar, distort GPS, and disable navigation systems across an entire nation. A selective electronic blackout capable of disarming a military force without firing a single missile. Even more troubling, its high-energy pulses can generate atmospheric anomalies we still don't fully understand. Unexpected echoes, signal rebounds, zones where aircraft lose reference, and even interference that can confuse ballistic missiles mid-flight. Imagine a real conflict. A nation prepares its response. It powers up its radars, satellites, and defense grid. Then suddenly, everything dies. The screen goes black, satellites drop offline, coordinates disappear, and in seconds, the entire defensive network collapses. A chilling electronic silence spreads through the system, and in that moment, the enemy has a free corridor. For years, people have speculated whether HAARP could influence storms or weather patterns. Officially, it is denied, but the technology to manipulate the atmosphere exists, and HAARP is linked to some of the darkest research in that field. What is confirmed is this: HAARP can leave a nation completely defenseless before the war even begins. It does not destroy cities. It destroys the ability to protect them. And in the 21st century, that is as devastating as any physical weapon. Top 9. X-51A Waverider. This hypersonic project looks nothing like a traditional missile. It was designed for something that, until recently, sounded like science fiction, using its own shockwave as a surfboard to glide at impossible speeds. In its most successful test, it exceeded Mach 5, a velocity so extreme that no existing missile defense can react in time. Distance stops being a problem. Targets hundreds of kilometers away become reachable in minutes. Its secret lies in the scramjet engine, a propulsion system that only works once the vehicle is already supersonic. From that point on, compressed air feeds combustion, allowing acceleration closer to a meteor than a human-made weapon. The military application is obvious. A strike launched from a high-altitude bomber is practically impossible to stop. Radar detects it too late, intercept calculations fail, and by the time a nation reacts, the impact already happened. Much of the program remains classified. The Waverider was not just an experiment, it was proof that the United States had entered the hypersonic era, a silent warning to rival superpowers. A missile that doesn't chase its target. It simply slices through the sky before the enemy realizes it was ever there. Top 8. X-37B. It looks like a miniature space shuttle, but its true nature is far more disturbing. This is the most secretive orbital platform the United States has ever deployed, capable of remaining in space for months, even years, without anyone knowing what it is really doing. Its mission is classified. Its payload is classified. Its orbital changes are unpredictable, and whenever it returns to Earth, it never explains what technology was tested. What is known is chilling. The X-37B turned space into a silent battlefield. Up there with no air resistance, no borders, no restrictions, it can test anti-satellite weapons, disrupt global communications, drop sensors in strategic orbits, or carry prototypes of kinetic weapons. The vacuum gives it a brutal advantage. It sees everything, tracks everything, analyzes everything, and no one can hide from it. Imagine modern war. A country activates its satellites, GPS, missile coordination, secure networks, and suddenly the entire system collapses. Satellites go blind, radar loses accuracy, air defenses fail. No sabotage, no missile, no hacker, just a silent vehicle drifting in orbit, executing a mission no one can detect. The X-37B does not need supersonic speed or explosions to show its power. Its strength lies in invisibility, autonomy, and untouchability. While nations watch the skies expecting a missile, the United States already has a weapon floating above them. And the most terrifying part? No one knows what it will be capable of on its next mission. Top 7 AGM-183A ARRW. This is the United States' formal entry into hypersonic warfare. The AGM-183A is designed to reach near Mach 8 so fast that the air around it literally ionizes, creating a glowing trail impossible to track. It is released from a bomber, usually a B-52, and from that moment begins a violent descent that breaks every reaction time in modern defense. Between radar warning and impact, only seconds pass. Far too little for interception. Its core is a hypersonic glide vehicle capable of maneuvering unpredictably while descending at insane speed, making it appear and vanish on enemy sensors. Its mission is simple: hit strategic targets before the enemy understands they are under attack. Bases, radars, hardened bunkers, command centers. None would have time to react. The Pentagon has never revealed what kind of warhead it can carry. It could be a high-penetration conventional explosive, or something far more catastrophic. What is clear is this: the ARRW is a message. The United States masters velocities where physics itself stops behaving normally. It doesn't fly toward the target. It devours it. Top 6. B-21 Raider. At first glance, it looks like the successor to the B-2 Spirit. But what the Pentagon has shown is only the silhouette. Its true capabilities remain buried under layers of secrecy almost no one is cleared to see. The Raider is the evolution of stealth: no radar signature, no detectable heat, and an onboard digital brain partially classified, capable of making tactical decisions mid-flight. Artificial intelligence evaluates threats, routes, targets, communications faster and more precisely than any human. But here's the disturbing part: the B-21 is not just a bomber. It is a modular weapons platform designed to carry systems the Pentagon refuses to describe. Rumored payloads include rapid strike hypersonic weapons, deep penetration classified munitions, autonomous drone swarms, electronic warfare systems capable of shutting down radars hundreds of kilometers away, next-generation strategic nuclear payloads. Some leaks suggest a fully autonomous mode: takeoff, strike, return with 0 pilots on board. If true, this would be the most dangerous bomber on Earth. Its mission: enter first, destroy everything critical, paralyze the enemy before they even form a response. The B-21 is not a plane. It is a warning carved in silence. The United States can strike anywhere, and no one will see it coming. Top 5. Virginia-class, Block 5. You won't see anything on the ocean's surface. But below, hundreds of meters deep, moves one of the most destructive attack systems the United States has ever built. These submarines carry the VPM modules, allowing up to 65 long-range strike missiles, more than some strategic nuclear subs. Tomahawks, advanced conventional warheads, specialized payloads. But what makes them terrifying is their versatility. A Block 5 can perform saturation conventional strikes, surgical bunker attacks, deployment of unmanned underwater drones, and, in extreme scenarios, classified special payloads. Their propulsion creates almost zero vibration, producing an acoustic signature so faint many consider them practically undetectable. A single Block 5 can destabilize a region. 3 or 4 operating secretly could change the course of a war before the first bomb falls. Top 4 Prompt. Global Strike. There are fast weapons. There are hypersonic weapons. And then there is Prompt Global Strike, the Pentagon's plan to strike any point on Earth in under 1 hour, without nuclear weapons, but with destructive power capable of erasing entire bases. PGS is not a missile. It is a doctrine, a full system combining secret technologies. 1. Global range hypersonic missiles. Vehicles traveling between Mach 5 and Mach 20, maneuvering unpredictably and overwhelming all missile defenses. 2. Unmanned orbital weapons. Platforms similar to the X-37B that remain dormant in orbit until activated. 3. Extreme precision conventional strike systems, capable of hitting a target the size of a car from thousands of kilometers away. The concept is terrifying in practice. A threat is detected. The PGS algorithm calculates trajectory, impact, and probability of success. A launch order is issued, and in less than 1 hour, the target no longer exists. No evacuation, no defense, no understanding of what is happening. Most of PGS remains classified. No one knows how many prototypes exist, or how close the system is to full deployment. What is certain is this: PGS is not designed to win wars. It is designed to prevent the enemy from ever beginning one. Top 3. W76 Mod 2. Among all nuclear weapons in the U.S. arsenal, few create as much fear not because of size, but because of the opposite. The W76 Mod 2 is smaller, more precise, and designed for real-world use. Its reduced yield makes it tempting in scenarios where a nation wants a nuclear-first strike without triggering full apocalypse immediately. It travels on Trident, 2 missiles launched from submarines, meaning the weapon can approach silently, strike, and vanish beneath the ocean without revealing its origin. A single sub can carry dozens of these warheads. Dozens. Each capable of destroying critical military infrastructure without flattening entire cities, creating ambiguity that destabilizes global politics. A small nuclear explosion is still nuclear, still contaminates, still terrifies, and still risks global escalation. This warhead is not designed for the end of a war. It is designed for its first second. Top 2. LGM-35, a Sentinel. The LGM-35A is the new backbone of the U.S. nuclear arsenal, built to dominate the 21st century and survive any attempt at interception. Its mission is simple and horrifying. Ensure the United States can destroy any nation on Earth, even on its worst day. It can carry MIRV warheads, multiple independent re-entry vehicles, each capable of striking different strategic targets simultaneously. One launch can destroy command centers, air bases, critical infrastructure, entire nuclear defense chains. Public documents speak of extreme precision, but the most advanced details remain classified. Autonomous navigation, evasive re-entry maneuvers, instant countermeasures. By the time a nation detects it coming, the Sentinel is seconds from impact. It is not meant to participate in wars. It is meant to decide them. Top 1 rods from God. Now imagine a weapon that uses no fuel, no explosives, no radioactive material, but still delivers the destructive energy of a tactical nuclear blast. That is rods from God, a real kinetic orbital strike concept developed by DARPA and the Department of Defense. The idea: drop massive tungsten rods from orbit, let gravity do the rest. Tungsten is incredibly dense and heat-resistant. Falling from space, it reaches hypersonic speed, generating an impact so powerful it can pierce deep bunkers, annihilate underground bases, or vaporize hardened installations. No nuclear explosion, no fallout, no detectable launch signature, just a flash, a shockwave, a crater. A full strike package could produce devastation comparable to seismic or volcanic events, and there is no defense. No interceptor can stop an object plunging from orbit at hypersonic velocity. This is why it takes the #1 position, because unlike nuclear weapons, rods from God doesn't break any treaties. It is a purely physical weapon, with consequences capable of reshaping a country in seconds. The ultimate weapon doesn't explode. It falls, and when it hits, the Earth trembles. There you have it. The 10 ultra-secret, real, and absolutely devastating weapons developed by the United States in the shadows. Technologies capable of shutting down entire nations, destroying strategic defenses, erasing bunkers, crossing continents, and striking from orbit without warning. An arsenal not designed for long wars, but to prevent them through sheer technological terror. Because when a country knows it can be eliminated in minutes, its decisions change forever. Now tell me, do you think any country could defend itself against an arsenal like this? Or are we closer than ever to a conflict no one could survive? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If this video shocked you, Hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next TechZNX report. See you in the next one.